Welcome to Travel with Suri. I have seen a lot of waterfalls in my life, from the Multnomah Falls of Oregon to Niagara Falls in New York. The pictures and videos are great, but this waterfall has to be seen to be believed. Welcome to Burney Falls, Redding, California. The state park in which Burney Falls is located is about 45 minutes east of the town of Redding. The Sundial Bridge at Redding has become a regional icon. This bridge is 700 feet long, 23 feet wide, and there are 14 cables supporting the bridge. It was completed in 2003 and cost $23.5 million. It is a cantilever spar cable-stayed pedestrian bridge that spans the Sacramento River. This bridge is the sundial that casts a shadow on a long tiled mound that is calibrated. Fed by underground springs, it pours 100 million gallons per day every day over a wide lip to drop 129 feet to pound the broad blue pool at its base. Even on the hottest days, you will feel the cool mist at the edge of the pool. Burney Falls deserves being called the eighth wonder of the world, a title bestowed on it in the early 20th century by President Theodore Roosevelt. Standing before the falls, you cannot help but be impressed by its beauty and mighty power. Water falls 129 feet into the pool that is 22 feet deep. More than 100 million gallons of water flow over the falls daily. On sunlit mornings, you can often see a small rainbow created by the falls mists. It is easy to understand why the area's early inhabitants believed the falls to be a sacred place. Native Americans historians note that the tribe used it as a place for meditation and visions. A quarter-mile paved trail takes visitors from the parking lot to the foot of the falls. Looking up into the magnificent waterfall, you will realize it consists of not just one large flow, but of several that pour over the top as well as out of the sides of the cliff. The water comes from underground springs above and at the falls and provides an almost constant flow rate of 379 million liters per day, even during the hotter, dry summer months. If you are feeling more adventurous, start your 1.5-mile falls trail hike. You will cross over a footbridge that takes you over Burney Creek. The water here feeds into the falls. Part of the trail are shaded thanks to the covering provided by the trees. Once there, you will stand in wonder of the majestic 129-foot Burney Falls with many vintage points. If you are nearby Redding or Sacramento, then Burney Falls is a must place to see. It's a beautiful waterfall. I hope you liked my video. If you like it, please subscribe it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.